Hey everyone, this is Nero. I want to share with you with my tip of checking the models. The thing is, I've been given a tons of buildings to do some RBD simulation, and it was like hundreds of buildings. And in order to do the RBD simulation, I assume you already know that we need all the buildings to be watertight, meaning it has to be closed, so I can pre-fracture it. And how do I check? Yeah, that was the question. I need to answer it. And to be honest, I tried many ways. I even Googled that. Some people say, yeah, I think you should use this node, which is called Remesh Grid. Yeah, it can give you the watertight model, but actually I don't, it was a RBD simulation. I don't want to change the topology, not topology. I don't want to change the look. So it didn't work. This one failed. Then I tried the measure swap. Yeah, I tried to measure the volume for every piece. It also failed. And then I checked the manual. According to the manual, which is the help card, it says when the model is opened, it cannot, not cannot, I should say, it may give you the wrong number, which means this one also failed. And then I tried the VDB from particles, VDB from polygons. I won't demonstrate now, and I'm just telling you. And it also failed. Yeah, to be honest, I was struggling a lot. Then suddenly I came up with this idea. It's actually quite simple. Yeah, I want to show you. First, I got 3 models, and let me merge them together. Then we have something like that, and let me translate. You move here. I'll make another one, and you're going to move here. Then we got that. I'm not just gonna steal from what I did before. I cut it. I don't want to cut them all. I just want to cut one. Say this torus. I cut it open, and this is what we have: 2 closed, 1 open. Okay. Then I came up with this idea. Say this one's open. An open model has to have unshared edge. That's the feature. So if I use a group node and then change that to edge, yeah, name it edge, and I choose the unshared edge, not everyone. See, only this guy has unshared edge. Yeah, that's what we're gonna detect. So why don't we do for each, we're gonna check the model one by one. And yeah, this is what I did. I first set everything to black, because later on I'm gonna use the CD attribute. You can use whatever attribute you want, doesn't matter. And then I say for the edge group, I want the color to be red. Let me find the first one. So basically, if any point on this object has the red color, then I want the whole model to be red. So how to do that? Actually, quite simple. Attribute promote. First, I promote. Yeah, I can delete it. I promote the CD on the detail. Why the number is more than yeah, because I used average. Actually, I want to use maximum, and I need to demote another attribute promote, and I'm gonna demote that back to the point. Yeah, it is here. Now it's red. And then let's check the result. See, only this guy is red. So that's my tip. Like always, I hope you find this video useful. I really hope so. I don't want you to waste too many times on this. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. We can talk about Houdini next time. I see you next round. Bye bye.